This is how they're still filling up the gas outside. The environment here. It's getting tired. I'm boring here for doing the tires. I mean there's the tank for filling up the gas. Because I'm over here in the east. And they have in my car to fix it or something. They had to be replacing some other parts from the car, from the front and from the rear side. So this is horrible to stay over here for an hour maybe, and they have a lot of things to do. But I will see the guys. He's filling up the gas over here. So he's going to be sure that everything is working well. But my car, they need some replacing a lot of parts from the car. And it's cost me a lot of money right now. Now I'm outside because inside is too boring. From doing this from the car. I'm on Mavis tire. It's gonna cost me a lot of money to change the part from the front from the car. The parts from the front is gonna cost me $200 almost for one piece that was broken. And the suspension I think is gonna cost me more than I don't know how much. Good. But I hope they give me some discount because I'm really tired for all this. I'm very tired.